Hi guys, welcome to Budget Buying, your trusted spot for honest reviews and smart deals. In today's video, we're covering the top 5 best car safety hammers, helping you stay prepared for unexpected situations on the road. Safety first, always. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Leiboo Car Safety Hammer. The Leiboo Car Safety Hammer is designed to provide confidence and security in critical situations. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it offers a strong balance of lightweight construction and excellent resistance to both high and low temperatures. Its frosted exterior gives it a sleek and modern appearance, while its compact size makes it easy to carry in the car without taking up valuable space. Equipped with a high-strength tungsten steel head boasting a Rockwell hardness of 60, the hammer is engineered to shatter car windows instantly when needed. The innovative gun-spring mechanical structure delivers enhanced force, generating up to 20 kgf of impact power in just one press. This allows the glass to break immediately, helping vehicle occupants escape quickly without requiring excessive strength or repeated attempts. The tool is also highly dependable in extreme scenarios such as underwater emergencies. Even when facing strong water pressure, it remains capable of quickly breaking through glass without relying on brute force. This performance offers reassurance in situations like submerged vehicles where every second matters. Beyond window breaking, the Leiboo Car Safety Hammer includes a hidden stainless steel cutter designed to cut seat belts swiftly in emergencies. The U-shaped concealed blade ensures safety during regular use, preventing fingers from entering too deep and protecting users from accidental cuts or scratches. Compact, practical, and thoughtfully engineered, the Leiboo Car Safety Hammer is an essential addition to any vehicle, providing peace of mind and dependable performance when the unexpected happens. Coming in at number 4, the Baseus Car Safety Hammer. The Baseus Car Safety Hammer is a compact yet powerful emergency tool designed to help drivers and passengers escape quickly and safely during unexpected situations. Built with a focus on durability, strength, and fast operation, it provides essential protection on the road when every second matters. One of its standout features is the integrated seatbelt cutter, allowing users to rapidly free themselves from jammed or damaged seatbelts without wasting time or requiring additional tools. This ensures that even in stressful situations, escape is quick and controlled. To handle window breaking needs, the hammer uses a high-strength tungsten steel head capable of cutting through metal and glass with ease. Paired with a precise gun-type spring mechanism, the tool delivers powerful and immediate impact at the press of a button. With an impressive 6-kilogram force, it shatters windows swiftly without requiring excessive strength from the user, making it suitable for people of all ages and physical abilities. The high-quality aluminum alloy body undergoes an oxidation process, making the tool resistant to wear, corrosion, and the harsh conditions of vehicle interiors. Compact and lightweight, it can be conveniently stored within arm's reach inside the glove compartment, door pocket, or center console, ensuring quick access during emergencies. With its strong construction and thoughtful design, the Baseus Car Safety Hammer provides peace of mind on every journey. It serves as a dependable companion that enhances vehicle safety and prepares drivers and passengers for unexpected road events. At number 3, we have the Eafc Car Safety Hammer. In critical moments on the road, every second counts. The Eafc Car Safety Hammer is designed to provide a fast and reliable solution when faced with unexpected situations such as accidents, fire, or jammed car doors. Built for real-life emergencies, this tool ensures a quick escape when time is running out. The hammer is engineered for 1-second window breaking, giving vehicle occupants an immediate exit route. Its heavy hammerhead delivers stronger impact force, allowing car windows to shatter with minimal effort. Equipped with a tungsten steel firing pin, the tool combines high hardness and long-lasting durability. It can withstand repeated use without deformation, making it dependable even under extreme stress. Safety is also a priority in its design. The hammer features a U-shaped hidden blade for cutting seatbelts without exposing sharp edges. This thoughtful structure prevents fingers from slipping inside, reducing the risk of accidental scratches or injury during operation. It ensures that the tool remains safe to handle even in stressful or chaotic situations. Accidents are unpredictable, which is why having a professional quality life hammer within reach can be an invaluable decision. In emergencies involving fire, the metal body of the hammer performs reliably even at high temperatures, unlike plastic components that may melt or burn. This ensures that the tool remains fully functional when it is needed most. Small, powerful, and life-saving, the Eafc car safety hammer is an essential emergency device every vehicle should carry. Whether tomorrow brings routine travel or unforeseen danger, this tool offers preparedness, peace of mind, and a real chance at safe escape when seconds matter. Next up at number 2 is the Ugreen car safety hammer. The Ugreen car safety hammer is a compact yet essential tool designed to enhance driver and passenger safety during unexpected roadside emergencies. As an important addition to any vehicle emergency rescue kit, it provides peace of mind by offering practical features that can make all the difference when fast action is needed. This versatile emergency tool combines both a seatbelt cutter and window breaker, ensuring that drivers have the means to escape when traditional exits are obstructed. Whether a seatbelt becomes jammed or a door cannot be opened due to impact, the built-in sharp cutter and powerful hammerhead provide a reliable solution. Designed specifically for emergency situations, the Ugreen hammer enables swift and effective window breaking, helping users exit the vehicle quickly and safely. Crafted with durable 105-degree Ugreen material, this emergency tool ensures longevity, reliability, and strength when it matters most. The tough construction means it is capable of handling high-pressure scenarios without compromising performance. Despite its strength and capabilities, the Ugreen car safety hammer maintains a compact and portable design. Its mini size makes it easy to store in the glove compartment, door pocket, center console, or anywhere within quick reach. This accessibility ensures that help is available immediately when seconds count. The Ugreen car safety hammer is a dependable emergency escape tool that complements comprehensive vehicle preparedness, offering confidence, protection, and quick action in critical moments. Finally, at number 1, we have the Baseus BS-CG013 car safety hammer. The Baseus BS-CG013 car safety hammer is a compact and practical emergency tool designed to support drivers and passengers in critical situations. Crafted with thoughtful engineering, it combines 3 essential functions in one device to provide quick and effective assistance during unexpected roadside incidents. Its versatile design ensures you are prepared for emergencies, whether you are dealing with a collision, vehicle malfunction, or sudden obstruction. One of the core features of this safety hammer is its built-in seatbelt cutter. In situations where a seatbelt becomes jammed or difficult to release, the cutter allows you to free yourself or help others by slicing through the belt swiftly and efficiently. This feature can be crucial in time-sensitive conditions where every second counts. The Baseus BS-CG013 also includes a U-shaped window breaker designed to shatter vehicle glass with minimal effort. If doors are stuck or windows cannot be lowered, this tool provides a reliable escape route, allowing passengers to exit the vehicle safely. The strong construction and effective impact design make it suitable for various types of car windows. Adding to its practicality, the tool features a built-in emergency lamp that offers illumination in dark or low-light environments. Whether you are navigating your surroundings after an accident, changing a tire at night, or signaling for help, the light provides greater visibility and enhances safety in stressful situations. Compact, durable, and easy to store within arm's reach, the Baseus BS-CG013 car safety hammer is a smart addition to any vehicle emergency kit. It brings peace of mind knowing that reliable help is within reach when faced with unpredictable moments on the road. Don't risk being unprepared in an emergency. If any of these car safety hammers caught your eye, check the price link in the description before stock runs out. For more life-saving tools and budget-friendly reviews, like and subscribe to Budget Buying and stay safe on every drive.